Your home is an expression of your persona. Yes, Bollywood Heights are being created with the vision of being able to cater to the residential and commercial needs of the urban community. Imagine Amisha Patel being your next door neighbor. Imagine Ajay Devgan living next door. Well. Yes, this is all true. And now, finally coming up in Sector 20 Panchkula, very next to the best and the most planned city in India, Chandigarh. We deeply care for our clients and firmly believe in what we do. The best brains in the arena are working to realize this objective. Be it architects or the structural engineers or the furnishers, Bollywood Heights will set standards in quality and redefine luxury. Rather than staying content with the usual, we consistently use technology to create better things and have made innovation an important attribute. The can-do spirit to do anything for the customer, along with close attention to global standards. The flats have keyless main door entry with camera-fitted security system. This low-rise group housing offers spacious and luxury apartments. The kitchen has modular workwood cabinets, granite working platform with 2 feet high glazed ceramic tiles, stainless steel sink, independent RO system, uniform features built to last. Bollywood Heights has a mix of 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms and are backed by superior architecture. We take pride in meeting the demand for exceptional quality. Provision for hot and cold water system in bathrooms with glazed tiles on walls up to door level. Bollywood Heights Apartments will be one of the very few projects in the area that are level 4 resistant to seismic activity. Master bedroom has wooden flooring. The direction and elevation of the flats have been aligned to maximize the use of solar energy. Television, cable, telephone, light and power points shall be provided at required places. Vastu and eco-friendly layout of the project. 4-bedroom apartments with separate drawing and dining room. There is an attached dressing room along with the bedroom.
The bathrooms also have cubicle showers.
Free flow of light and air to every part of apartment. Installation of firefighting equipment at all floors. Provision for rainwater harvesting. Dedicated parking spots for each block. Level 4 resistance to seismic activity. Power backup for essential services. 24-hour water supply. 24-hour security with manned entry and exit. 70% of open area under parks etc. offers plenty of greenery and enhances the living pleasured manifold. All the apartments are systematically designed and planned to never cause any discomfort to the owners, regardless of the amount of urbanization.
All bathrooms are fitted with imported accessories.
Jacuzzi in 4-bedroom apartments, swimming pool on terrace for 4-bedroom apartments along with common swimming pool. Convenient shopping place for daily needs.
All apartments designed in such a manner that all flats have balconies.
All internal walls plastered and painted with the oil-bounded distemper.
All the 4-bedroom apartments are centrally air-conditioned.
At Bollywood Heights, our core values guide our daily actions. These fundamental principles provide us with the rationale for the way we conduct our business.